In this video, I want to prove that dropshipping is not dead. I will give myself 72 hours to find a winning product, build a Shopify store, and create some ad creative so that we can become profitable within these 3 days. If I mess up and we don't become profitable within these 72 hours, I will be giving away $500 to one of you. And if we become profitable even by $1, I'll be giving away the entire store to one of you. So make sure you watch the entire video so you know how to qualify. But now we better get started because the time is ticking. Okay guys, we better plan out the next 3 days. Alright, I guess on day 1 our focus should be to find a winning product as quickly as possible so we can order at home and start filming our ad creatives tomorrow. And after that, I want to build my Shopify store so we can stick on the schedule and launch everything tomorrow. Because it's really important our ads launch tomorrow and get accepted through the night so they can run one entire day. Because if the ads don't have enough time to run, we might run into some issues with the sales. But of course our goal is to have them run as long as possible. Now instead of using a paid product research tool, in this challenge I want to use the burner method. I know usually I tell you guys it's easier and quicker to use a product research tool, but in this challenge I want to find a product that sells really quick because it's important for us to get sales quickly because of the challenge. So that's why I gotta dig deep into my burner accounts and find a good product for us. Alright guys, I've been scrolling for the past few hours and came up with a list of a few good products. You know, there are some products I think that will sell, but I just haven't found the one where I just thought, whoa, that's it. So I'll just keep scrolling for now and keep writing down good products. And I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, so we're currently 6 hours into this challenge and I think I found the product that we'll use. And the product I landed on was this cheap rechargeable flying helicopter. Just a product that I think a lot of people will buy in summer because it's so cheap and they just want to have fun with it. Of course, it's important here that our ad creatives deliver the fun part really well to our audience. So what I did was I ordered home the product and then started working on the store. Now running multiple stores and multiple dropshipping businesses comes with a lot of challenges. And one of the biggest is account lockout. I often found my account getting locked out at the worst possible time, slowing down my business and reducing revenue. Constantly having to switch between accounts is a real headache. But luckily, there's a solution. GoLogin. GoLogin is a single secure platform to manage all your accounts. This just makes it so easy to run multiple stores and definitely is a game changer for my personal success. And what I also really like is that this makes it so easy for me to share my accounts with my team and give them easy access to all the different platforms they need. This of course increases efficiency a lot. You can try it for free through the link down in my description and solve all your account logout problems. So what I did was I went under Shopify and started a 3-month trial for only $1. If you want the same offer, you can get it through the link in my description. Then I just went with a basic theme and created a home and a product page. And also imported some reviews for my product. And this is something that is really important because it gives your store social credit and your customers might be easier convinced to buy from you. And then what I did was I just basically removed and added a whole lot of sections until everything was looking nice. And then I actually went to bed because it was already getting pretty late. But the next morning when I woke up, I was so psyched because our product had arrived. Let's go guys, this is so important. Oh my god, our helicopter just arrived. Now I can finally start to record some clips. Oh guys, this just takes so much weight off my shoulders. I really think that we'll be able to launch everything later today. I mean, just have a look at this helicopter. Isn't it nice? Let's turn it on quickly. Oh. Nice. Just a nice toy. Oh. So what I did was I filmed a whole lot of clips of my product and then later edited them into some nice ad creators on CapCut. I'm actually really happy about the results and also how the store turned out because I actually just finished on that as well. Alright guys, it's currently 8 o'clock and I've been working the entire day, but now it's finally time to launch our campaign and get some sales in, of course. Now you can go with Meta or TikTok ads for this. I just went with TikTok because that's just where I have the most experience. And I just went with a really broad setup and uploaded our ad creatives because I think the algorithm always knows best, so I just let it target the audience it wanted and figure everything out itself. Alright, I hope that our ads get submitted throughout the night. I really had some issues with that lately and everything just launches as quickly as possible. But now it was time for me to go to bed. Now the next morning when I woke up, we had already made our first couple of sales. Wow, this is so amazing guys, already 5 sales. And the sales just kept coming in, so I actually increased the ad budget to $300 per day at this point. So this is when the ads really started to spend. Well, and what can I tell you guys? I just kept increasing the ad budgets and more sales were just coming in throughout the day. Alright guys, I just turned off the ads because it's officially 72 hours since our challenge has started. And I'm happy to say that we made a total of 53 sales, adding up to $2,385. Wow, what an amazing result for this challenge. Now I can instantly tell that that's profitable, but let's just quickly calculate what really is our profit. So our product cost was around $260 and we had an ad spend of around $440. $1,000. And this lets us come out at a profit of around $1,700. In just 72 hours, guys. Oh my god. It definitely paid off that I spent so much time finding a good product. I'm definitely gonna let this store run, but as I promised you guys in the beginning, I'll be giving away this store if it's profitable. So what you have to do in order to participate in this giveaway is sign up through the link in my description for a free trial with Go Login, and then also comment your favorite part of this video. I'll later then have a look at my sign up list with Go Login and message someone in the comment section whether they won. The best of luck to all of you. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.